There's a new breed of crypto game out there that's making a hell of a lot of noise, and it's called crash games. No, not you, no. Well, I'm gonna tell you what they are and everything you need to know about them. Hey Internet, your old friend Dominic here from AmericanCasinoGuide.com. But before I get into that, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Come on guys, I know you want to. So crash games are exciting and fun games that are becoming an online casino staple. This is how they work. There's a line, sometimes with a plane, a rocket, or any sort of crazy device like that, something you can imagine, and it keeps rising and rising, and the multiplier on your bet keeps going up and up and up, until eventually it crashes. If you like dealing with cryptocurrencies and stocks, crash games are for you. The only difference is that you have to make decisions really fast. The gameplay is very simple. You place a bet before the game round gets underway, and once the bets are closed, the multiplier starts running from 1 and increases over time. It's really up to you for when you cash out your winnings. You can even set a fixed multiplier for when you cash out. The longer you stay in the game, the better chance you have of landing that big payout. But be careful, because eventually that line will crash. And if you haven't cashed out by that point, you will lose your entire wager.
Almost half my money's gone.
It's very important to know there is no possible strategy behind this game. It's just pure instinct and a lot of luck. So a reminder as always, do play responsibly. There's more about crash games and where you can play them at our website, AmericanCasinoGuide.com. The link is down in the description. One more thing about crash games, be sure to choose the right casino. This pretty much is a no-brainer. Choose the ones we recommend and you're guaranteed to experience the highest quality games out there. You can even test drive most casino games without even having to make a deposit. So while you're at it, see if you like the graphics, the animation, the layout, and so on. Another thing to consider is the available payout methods. Since Crash is a crypto game, it offers many currencies you can choose from, so chances are your favorite crypto is accepted as well. So don't worry if you're into Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, they got you covered. However, make sure to also check if there are any withdrawal fees and any wagering requirements. A note of caution, always read through the fine print before registering and depositing any real money. But you really shouldn't worry about any of this if you just hop onto our website and follow the instructions there, as we've already done the hard work for you and listed the best and most importantly, safest casinos for you. So guys, that pretty much wraps up our quick rundown on crash games. Will you be checking them out? Let us know in the comments section down below. And while you're at it, leave a like and slam that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.